Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey being chased by a giant dragonfly. Do you want to know why Bluey ran so fast today? Can you guess? Was it because the dragonfly wanted to play tag? Because it liked the shiny ribbon on her paw? Or because it thought she was hiding something sweet? What do you think, friends? One bright morning, Bluey and Bingo were picking flowers near the garden. Suddenly, a buzzing shadow zipped past. Bluey gasped, "Whoa, that dragonfly is huge." Its wings shimmered in green and gold, sparkling in the sun. Children, flap your arms gently, up and down, like a dragonfly's wings. The dragonfly hovered, then darted toward Bluey. "It's chasing me," she cried, giggling as she ran across the yard. Bingo laughed. "Run faster, Bluey. Kids, can you run in place quickly, just like Bluey racing away?" Mom peeked out from the porch. "What's all the fuss?" Dad grinned. "Looks like a giant game of chase." Bluey zigzagged, the dragonfly following close behind. Children, lean left, then right, as if dodging something in the air. "Why won't it stop?" Bluey wondered. Bingo clapped. "Maybe it wants to dance with you." The dragonfly swirled in loops, glowing in the sunlight. Bluey slowed down, curious. "Maybe you're right." Kids, spin slowly in a circle, like the dragonfly twirling around Bluey. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Bluey stretched out her paw. The dragonfly hovered near, its wings tickling the air. "It's not scary at all," Bluey whispered. Bingo tiptoed closer, eyes wide. "It's beautiful." Children, tiptoe softly in place, as if sneaking closer to see the shining wings. The dragonfly zipped around them, then landed gently on a flower. Its wings glittered like tiny rainbows. Mom and Dad walked over. Mom smiled. "See, it just wanted to show off." Dad chuckled. "That dragonfly has some dance moves." Kids, sway side to side like you're dancing with the dragonfly. Bluey and Bingo sat in the grass, watching it rest. "I thought it was scary," Bluey said softly, "but it only wanted to play." Bingo nodded. "Sometimes things look big and strange, but they can still be kind." The dragonfly lifted off again, circling above their heads before flying high into the blue sky. Bluey waved, "Goodbye, new friend." Bingo waved too, her smile wide. Children, wave your hand high, saying goodbye to the giant dragonfly. Together, the family sat under the shade of the tree, the garden glowing bright around them. Bluey sighed happily. Today felt magical. Bingo whispered, "I'll remember this forever." Children, close your eyes now and picture a shining dragonfly, its wings glowing softly, drifting free in the sky. Now wave goodbye with Bluey, Bingo, Mom, and Dad, all smiling, warm, and safe.